Hi, welcome to today's astronomy video about Arrokoth, formerly known as Ultima Thule. This object was discovered in the year 2014. It's a trans-Neptunian object in the Kuiper Belt at a distance of 45 AU. 1 AU is the Earth-Sun distance of 150 million kilometers. You can see this has two parts. It's a contact binary of two planetesimals. The bigger one has the name Venu, is 21 kilometers big, has a pancake shape. And at the bottom, the smaller is Vu. It's a size of 15 kilometers and it has a walnut shape. The longest axes are aligned with the rotation axis. This is a picture of the Kuiper Belt object of the different groups, and the dominant planet object in this region is ice giant Neptune. You can see these objects have a resonance situation with the planet Neptune. For example, Pluto has a Pluto's 3 orbital resonance with Neptune. The Kuiper Belt is in the region 40 to 48 AU's distance from the Sun. Arrokoth is a member of the Cubewanos group. This is a cold classical Kuiper Belt object. There was no big perturbation by the planet Neptune, and the orbital period of Arrokoth is 298 years. This is the trajectory of the New Horizons spacecraft, which was launched in 2006. It flew past the asteroid 132524 APL, and it got a gravity assist from the giant planet Jupiter. And after visiting Pluto, it visited Arrokoth. You can see it's impressive the speed of the spacecraft at about 14 kilometers per second when it arrived at Arrokoth. This is the approach of the spacecraft New Horizons to Arrokoth in the year 2019. And you can see the smaller planetesimal has white material in the crater. This is a picture of the surface features of Arrokoth. Its mounds with 5 kilometer size, and its neck. Yeah. The crater on Rio is 7 kilometers. And spectral measurements with the New Horizons spacecraft showed there's a methanol, hydrogen cyanide, and water ice, plus sulfur-rich organic compounds. And there was no interaction with the solar wind detected. This is what gives the surface of Arrokoth its red color. That's solins. These are complex organic molecules that are made from nitrogen and hydrocarbons by UV light or cosmic ray. And this reddish color gives other moons, Titan and Charon, and Pluto, the dwarf planet Pluto, its reddish color too. This is the complex geology of Arrokoth. You can see the two planetesimals. You can again see the large crater on Vu, and you can see the 8 areas would be the 8 potential building blocks of the bigger planetesimal Venu. This is a comparison of Arrokoth with the comet 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko. They have one thing in common, that's 2 connected lobes. However, Arrokoth is 8 times bigger. And in both cases, you don't have enough mass to make one sphere from these 2 planetesimals or these 2 parts. This is how the formation happened of Arrokoth 4.5 billion years ago. This makes it a primordial object. Volatile ices should be preserved. Rotating clouds of small icy bodies comes together. Two large bodies are formed, and then they spiral closer to each other. They touch each other, but they can't make one sphere because you don't have enough matter. And so this structure of Arrokoth gives it an upper limit for its density. It can't be higher than 1 gram per cubic centimeter, because if it were higher, then you would get one sphere, and the lower limit is 0.29 grams per cubic centimeter. And this is another picture of Arrokoth. You can again see the bright necklace. The neck surface area is 32 square kilometers. Is most of the time shaded. And the explanation is the thermally caused ice deposits, and candidates for these compounds are ammonia and propane. The New Horizons spacecraft did not find carbon monoxide from Arrokoth. That's why Arrokoth is an interesting target for future missions with the James Webb Space Telescope to find out what happened to the highly volatile compounds like carbon monoxide and nitrogen. This is a movie of the flyby of the New Horizons spacecraft at Arrokoth at a speed of 14 kilometers per second. This artist image of a planetesimal. Planetesimals are intermediates of the planet formation 4.6 billion years ago. That started 4.6 billion years ago. It had a size of about 100 to 1,000 kilometers. For the formation of a planet, Earth-sized planet, you need about 100 planetesimals. And the entire process is not clear, from the disk of gas and dust to the full planet. But there are ways to find more about this process. One important method is isotope analysis. Would give us clues about the formation and how the parts were mixed within the solar system. And we now know many other multiplanetary systems. These are 3 examples: TRAPPIST-1, Kepler-62, and TOI 700. All these 3 systems have several Earth-sized planets, and in the best case, these 3 systems could also have several Earth-like planets in the habitable zone of these stars. This is still the most fascinating and interesting object in the Kuiper Belt. It's Pluto. This is a movie made of images from the New Horizons mission. Pluto is a dwarf planet, size 2,377 kilometers. The name dwarf planet is just a new category of planets. This New Horizons mission gave us a lot of information about its surface features, about its beautiful heart, about its geology and atmosphere. But there are still many open questions for future missions, and yeah, that's a very beautiful planet in my opinion. That was today's astronomy video about the object Arrokoth. I will add the links into the description field. You can check them out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.